Hi guys, so today I've got another savings challenge for you, and this one can help you save up to £5,000 in under 1 year. Let's get into it. For this challenge here, you're going to need 100 envelopes and you're going to need to number them from 1 to 100. So the reason I've got 2 envelopes, 2 piles over here, is because I don't want to risk pulling 2 big numbers in the same week. So what I've done is, this pile here is 0 to 50 and this pile here is 51 to 100. So every week I'm going to pull one from this pile, pull one out from this pile. For today I'm going to pull 2 from this pile because, you know, I'm not rich. So we've got £10 and I can already see that already, so £5. So my £5 and my £10 envelope are completed. At the same time I put the money in, it started raining, hailing and snowing outside. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cross off £5, cross off £10. I should probably do it neater, but that's okay. So from next week, I'm going to pull an envelope from this side, pull an envelope from this side, and then whatever number I get, I'm going to put the money in both of the envelopes, cross them out of here, and then move on to the next. I'm going to repeat this every week until I complete this chart and I get rich. You don't have to split them into 2 groups. You can have everything in one big pile and just pull from that pile. Or if this doesn't make too much sense for you, you can get rid of one folder. So you only do it in 0 to 50, and then you get to your goal a lot quicker, and you should save about 1275 by the end of the year. But if you do both piles together and go through all the 100 envelopes, you should save about £5,000, and that's what I'm trying to do. Project Get Rich by Christmas. Let's go. Also, you should probably get a basket or something just to put this in so they're all nice and safe, because, you know, eventually this is gonna have a lot of money in it. But yeah, let me know what you think of that. Can you do 100 envelopes, or do you think you're only gonna do 50? Let me know down below.